Welcome to Gumber's Mathematics classes. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss another updates.
Hello, today we are going to solve this question. Rohi travels 300 kilometers to her home partly by train and partly by bus. Let us consider it's her workplace and she is going to her home. For this she needs to cover distance of 300 kilometers and she travels partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining means 240 by bus. If she travels and she takes 4 hours for this case, if she travels 100 kilometers by train and the remaining distance is total distance was 300, remaining is 200 kilometers, that by bus, and she takes 10 minutes longer, it means she takes 4 hours and 10 minutes. For this case, find the speed of the train and bus. Very first will be let the speed of train is equal to x kilometers per hour and speed of bus is equal to y kilometer per hour. Now total time is 4 hours in this case, and in this case 4 hours 10 minutes. And if you observe the units here, it is in kilometers and speed unit is SI unit is kilometer per hour. So we will be converting this 10 minutes into hours. This is equal to 10 by 60 hours, means this is equal to 1 by 60, or we can write it as 25 by 6 hours. Now time is given to us as 40 and the relation is speed is equal to distance upon time, or time is equal to distance upon speed. So we'll be using this time taken by train and time taken by bus, total is equal to 4 hours. Time is equal to distance upon speed. In case of train, very first case, it travels 60 kilometers, it means distance, divide by speed of train is x kilometers. This is the time taken by train. Now time taken by bus, she travels 240 kilometers by bus for first situation, and the speed of bus is equal to y. The total time is equal to 4 hours. This is first condition, and this can be reduced. Divide this by 4. Let's see second equation, then only we'll be solving it accordingly. Now according to second condition, 100 kilometers are covered by train, distance 100 kilometers and the speed of train is x, plus 200 kilometers are covered by bus and the speed of the bus is y, and it took time as 25 by 6. This is the second equation. Now we can divide it. Divide by 4, we'll be getting 15x, plus divide by 4, 60y is equal to 1. And in this case also we can divide completely by 25. So we'll be getting it as 4 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 1 by 6. Now this is equation number 3. Equation number 4. We will be solving it with the help of reducible to the linear equation. For this, we will suppose x 1 upon x is equal to one variable and 1 upon y as another variable. Let's consider for this. We'll consider 1 upon x is equal to 1. Let 1 upon x is equal to u, 1 upon y is equal to v. Put this in equation number 3 and 4. We get 15u plus 60v is equal to 1 and 4u plus 8v is equal to 1 by 6. Now to make them equal, we need to multiply first equation by 4 and the second equation by 15. We'll be getting 15 4s are 60u plus 240 u is equal to 4. There was no need to divide it by 4. Let's solve it now. 15 4s are 60, 15 8s are 90, sorry 120 and is equal to 415 by 6. Now subtract, we'll be getting 120v is equal to 9 by 6. When we subtract these, 4 minus 15 by 6, 24 minus 15 by 6, that is equal to 9 by 6. And this also can be written as 3 by 2, 140. And v is equal to 1 by 80. And what is v? V is equal to 1 by y. Now before going to x and y, we'll try to find the value of u by using equation number 4. We'll be putting the value of v in equation number, let us consider this as equation number 5 and this is equation number 6. Putting the value of v in equation number 6, we'll be getting 4u plus 8 into 1 by 80 is equal to 1 by 6. Now 4u is equal to 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 10, which is equal to 30. Denominator, this is 5 minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 50. U is equal to 1 upon 60 and u is equal to 1 upon x. This implies x is equal to 60 kilometers per hour and y is equal to, this is equal to 1 upon y. This implies y is equal to 80. Y is equal to 80 kilometers per hour. But the right way to write the answer is x we suppose as train. Speed of train is equal to, finally write it as speed of train is equal to 60 kilometers per hour and speed of bus is equal to 80 kilometers per hour. This is your final answer. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Bye bye.